Hey guys, got a Kenmore side-by-side black refrigerator. Just want to give you a rundown on it, show you that everything on it works great. It's in excellent condition. And we're going to start right out here with the ice maker and water dispenser. You see you got a little control here for your light. You can lock the dispenser, so if anything gets pushed here, no water or ice will come out. That's great for the kids. And then of course you can do cubed or crushed. So I'll show you with a little ice here. It's only dropped a single load of ice in there, but I waited, hooked the water line up and waited to hear that ice drop just to be sure everything works good. So there you go, water, ice. You see the lights work. All that's good. So, and then on the inside here, we'll go ahead and turn this light off. On the freezer side, you can see everything is nice and clean. I've had a bottle of water frozen in here for a while, and of course I've got my temperature gun. Then down in here, see, it's just got the single load. Excuse me. Anyway, plenty of space there. And then on the fridge side, of course, you can space these out however you want, but we've got everything in it works great. There's no cracks, nothing's chipped or broken or anything like that. Everything works perfectly. Nice and clean. Got these settings, kind of manufacturer's settings. The water filter's still good. Door switch, all that works perfectly. Then I'll show you real quick before we lose our temperature that it is at the correct temperature. So we're reading about 25 up there. And 35 is about standard, pretty typical. We'll go back over here. This up top, you can see that's about bottle of ice. Yeah, pretty consistent, about a 4. So you can see it's all cooling like it's supposed to. Everything on it works great. So really the purpose of this video here is just so you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell it. If you have any questions, do reach out. Try to keep these videos short. So I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.